Prophet Bernard L. Bernard spoke about a lot of crypto coins, cryptocurrencies, and I've taken it upon myself to give you update technically that is going to help you and change everything for you. When the prophecy about COAI coin came in, I posted a prophecy on the Zoe podcast. I posted also a technical update on the Trader Nixon channel. Those who watch that on the Trader Nixon channel, there was for lack of a better word, a clause in the video where I said, look, COAI coin is up, crazy, high, beautiful, but we need some level of retracement. If you watch that, that would be a very good advice for you to influence your decision making, right? And you see, a lot of people bought when the price was 20. And then the price dropped. Doesn't mean the prophecy is wrong. No, hell no, right? So that's one thing you need to know. I want to technically break down what you need to do and what's the best thing that is going to change everything for you. The prophecy still stands and the prophecy still holds. Let's work on this coin first. We'll come back to COAI in another video. CREPE. What is happening? CREPE is dropping currently, but what is happening? What is happening? Let me show you what is happening and what you are supposed to do. Let's go into this video quickly on CREPE. CREPE. Make sure you join my Telegram. Make sure you are part of the Telegram. Every time I post updates on there, and more juice will be on the Telegram rather on YouTube. Let's go. So let's talk about CREPE. Let's talk about CREPE. Currently, CREPE is down. CREPE is down currently, and I'll show you everything that you need to know about CREPE. So about CREPE, CREPE is most potential meme on BNB chain. There is not so much an outstanding project backing this coin. It's just a meme coin, and meme coins just have communities that speculate on the price and all of that. It's fine. There are a lot of meme coins that are up there right now. Doesn't have any outstanding project backing it up. It's just CREPE community, speculating prices and then pushing an agenda, and it's beautiful. That's what makes crypto space very beautiful. Yeah. Now the market cap is lying at 28 million. It's down 6% in the last 24 hours. It's down 6%. The volume is down 3% in the last 24 hours. Now we have 2.92 million dollars floating in CREPE, and the holders still is around 63,000 plus holders. 63,000 people are holding this coin, and that's very good about the coin. Total supply 690 billion. I think it's fair, but if some of the coins are burnt, it will just do very good for CREPE. And Prophet says CREPE is going to hit 0.45 cents and then go to another price and go to another price. To me, honestly, I believe, but I think the total supply is very huge, and if it's burnt, it will just help get there very quick, right? It will help us get there very quick. But a lot of speculation can set in and get there too, and there's no problem with that. But just when the coin is burnt, there are higher chances that we even hit $1 per CREPE. You understand? The website is here. Let's look at what is on the CREPE website. You could see a lot of things here. So when you click on the about, so what are they saying? So I think CREPE is matching up with Shiba. So BNB Chain's coolest new coin, CREPE, is a community-driven meme token. CREPEs are delicious and fancy French pancakes. More importantly, CREPE has all the hallmarks of a new ship. You understand? So the community is built, the project is built on a huge community. And so that is where we are all depending on for a boom on the prices of CREPE because of the community. So this is what they are having here. A lot of things to be, to read over here. So let's look here. Total supply 690 billion, circulation supply 580.81 billion burned. So burned, we have 7% LP is locked. You understand me? So there is a contract address here on the BNB Smart Chain, and the partners. Let's look into the partners. So current and future partners. So MEXC, BSC Scan Chain, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DEX2s, Avidex, Pink, Sale, BitSmart, Wix, or whatever. So I think the creators of CREPE are really trying to put CREPE in the spot of other meme coins such as Shiba Inu, Doge, They are putting the competition there. They are putting CREPE on the spot so it competes with other meme coins like that. So Pancake, BitSmart, KCEX, MEXC, they are all partners of CREPE. I'm outlining this so that you understand where we are going. Now, Prophet spoke about CREPE, gave price points and all of that. Now, CREPE is coming down. Let's look at the chart. When you look at the charts, at a point, many people bought here. Many people bought here. And that is fine. But after buying, the price just dropped like this. Crazy. The price dropped. Should we panic since the price is dropping? It's okay for the price to drop. There's nothing wrong with the price dropping. That's a fact. But as the price is dropping, what should you do? That's a good question. What should I do when the price is dropping? Should I liquidate my position? For newbies who don't understand, liquidate means close or sell your position. No. This is the time. This is not financial advice. This is educational, purpose. This is for educational purpose. Sorry. To me, when I saw that the price was dropping 10%, 30% here, I bought more. The price is dropping here, I want to buy more. So you can use this information to your advantage. Whatever you want to use this information for, use it. Let's look at CREPE from the beginning. When the CREPE coin was launched, there was a huge move to the top like this. A spike went up, came down, then it started dancing around, then boom, there was a first major move. Danced around here too, danced around here, and boom, there was a major move. So it is normal for the price to move, consolidate, or reject a bit and move again. Because when you are looking into technical analysis, when it comes to trading, we have what we call uptrends and downtrends and consolidation markets or ranging markets. When a market is in an uptrend, we have to see higher highs and higher lows forming. Now, this has been a high, low, high, low, high, low, equal high. This is an equal high, and we are coming low again. We have to have broken this structure for us to keep up in the uptrend, but we couldn't break off this structure. A very good thing that we need to see here is the price reversing from this range. And if I mean this range, I mean something like this. the price reversing from this range. So what I mean to say is that the price is going to come here and start going up again. That's what I'm expecting to see on CREPE. And when the price is already coming down. So what do you have to do? This is not financial advice. This is for educational purpose only. You only need to be putting in more position if you have money, if you can afford to do that, right? And when the price comes here and breaks this structure and goes down like this, let me take this one from here. Then I'm not saying you should panic, but I'm saying this is where it gets very exciting, because only the people who have stomach to risk will still be adding position and be risking. When the price comes here, it is very dangerous. It means the coin is dead. Meanwhile, I don't believe this coin is going to die. When it comes here, those who have stomach to risk can put in more position. But what I am anticipating is what I'm telling you, is price is likely to come here and then start going up. Price is likely to come here and start going up. Now, what do I think price is going to do in the future? I think CREPE to 0.01. CREPE to 0.001. Yes. If price, comes to dance around here, this is what is going to definitely happen. Price will move from here to here. That's what I expect. And that will be like 3,000 plus percent from that particular price range, which is going to give us 3,000 divided by 100. That should give us 30 or something. That should give us 30. 3,000 divided by 100. So that is 30. So that is 30x. That is 30x. So if you have $50 in there times 30, that will be $1,500. And if you had, let's say, $150 times the 30x, that would be $4,500. If you had $1,000 times 30, that would be $30,000. That would be what? 30,000 freaking dollars. And I don't know why I believe in CREPE so much. That CREPE is going to do that. Yes, I believe in CREPE so much that it's going to do that. So that is what I see on CREPE technical wise. Meanwhile, Prophet is saying, let's come to Prophet forecast. CREPE is going to come to, first of all, 0.45%. I stand to be corrected, but that's what I had. 0.45%. It should be around somewhere here. Now let me use my risk to reward tool from here to there. The current market price here to that place. Is CREPE doing what? How many percent? That will be CREPE doing 444,000%. No. Let me look at that well. That will be CREPE doing 337,000%. Yeah, something like that. Now let me use this tool. Okay, this tool is for setting up risk to reward. Okay, so let me use this tool rather. No. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah. Oh, so that is huge. That is 975,000%. So 975,000%. divided by 100. That is 9,750x. 9,750x. So if you have $10 in there, how much would you be making? Times $10. That's getting you to almost $100,000. So that is it. But to be very conservative, CREPE to, let's say, 0.01. It's not far-fetched. I'm not arguing with the prophecy. No. I tell you guys every time how I respect prophecies and I believe in prophecies. I'm not arguing, but I'm just doing technical updates to show you, even when we get here, even when we get there, even when we get here, you understand me? And you see, anything that has to go up has to take some time rolling on the ground or going down on the ground or doing something on the ground. Look at an aircraft. Before it takes off, it has to move on a runway for some time before, boom, it takes off. That's it. Nothing can be changed about that because it needs to gather momentum. When you want to jump very high, look at Steph Curry, LeBron James, when they are playing b-ball, you need to go down a bit before you jump. You understand? So what we are seeing here is just a retracement gathering momentum to go up. So that's it all about CREPE. That's it all about CREPE. So what am I saying? The price is coming down. It's an opportunity for you to stack down on your prices. This is what I did with Xpin, and I made some money. When Xpin was crashing down, that's when I bought. When I bought was when it was crashing down. So this one, if it crashes down further, I'll buy. I'll buy more. Even here, I would like to buy more. So that's it. Make sure you join my Telegram, guys. Make sure you join the Telegram. The link to the Telegram, I think, is in the description box, or at Trader Nixon, or the Trader Nixon community. You find us on Telegram. 2025 market crash has come to an end, and you've heard it here first. Trump tariffs have caused an uncertainty on the market. This is the right time for investors to jump in. Now, XPX, that is XMP 500, dropped 21%. NAS 100 dropped 27%. UK 100 dropped 16%. US 30, best 30 performing companies, right, in the United States dropped 20%. BTC, I predicted, is going to hit 75K. It even dropped to 74,000 and some few pennies there, right? Now, this is the time. The elites have taken profit. The market has gone down during uncertainty with Trump tariffs. This is the time that we have set into an accumulation phase. You want to invest into the Forex market, the synthetic, space. You want to invest into the crypto market. You want to do Forex. You want to do stocks. You don't know how to do it. Join the financial market masterclass with Trader Nixon, and I'll show you how to do it like a pro.